Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. We all know those toppers in school and college, the ones who ace every exam and seem to know everything. But here's the question: does getting top grades always translate to real-life success? What exactly is a topper? In the Indian education system, toppers are students who consistently score the highest marks in exams. They're often seen as the gold standard of academic achievement. But here's the thing: there's more to success than just test scores. Here's why toppers don't always equal successful people. Focus on just learning. Our education system can sometimes emphasize memorization over actual understanding. This might help you ace an exam, but it doesn't necessarily translate to real-world skills like problem-solving or critical thinking. Pressure and stress. The constant pressure to perform can lead to anxiety and burnout. This isn't exactly a recipe for long-term well-being and happiness. Lack of creativity and independent thinking. Creative and independent thinking are less crucial skills in many real-world jobs where innovation and finding new solutions are essential. Difficulty working in teams. Some toppers might be so used to studying solo that they struggle to collaborate with others. Teamwork is a vital skill in most workplaces, and successful people need to be able to communicate effectively, share ideas, and work towards a common goal. Limited practical experience. While textbooks are great for foundational knowledge, they can't replicate real-world problems. Toppers might lack the practical experience needed to apply their knowledge in a work setting. This can be a disadvantage when it comes to getting their first job or transitioning from academics to a career. Fear of failure. The constant pressure to excel can lead to a fear of failure. This can hold toppers back from taking risks or trying new things, which are often necessary for growth and success. Remember, success can look different for everyone. Find your passion, hone your skills, and don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more. What are your thoughts on toppers and success? Let me know in the comments below.